So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video of the none other Yungblud. So I don't really listen to new music. I literally listen to the same bands that I listened to when I was in like 8th grade. They've literally stuck. But Yungblud has infiltrated that collection. So get ready, get excited, get your popcorn, and let's open Yungblud's album together. Oh my god, okay, so we have CD, actually we have like 2 CDs to open, 2 albums to open, we got some merch too, but like I literally, okay, so maybe I should wait and go to the store and get his freaking Rolling Stones magazine. I don't know what to do. I think I might go.
A few moments later. Day 2. Day 3. Three weeks later.
Okay, Nicole from the future has arrived, and this is actually like a month later from filming this because I had to buy this online from Kawaii and it finally got here. So this is it, guys. I got the elusive Yungblud Rolling Stone magazine. So we're gonna do the haul portion first, and the first thing that I got was this in the mail. Oh my god, it's different than the Target one. The Target one is already different. Okay, let's go. And then I got this, and then I got this right here, and this is the bedroom tapes. This came out before the album came out, and let me tell you, I have never bought something so fast. Gold, literally A+. It's literally perfection. The acoustic versions, so good. Like, sign me up. We're shook. We're all shook. The ladies are shook. Please, when you come to Ohio, do the acoustics, please. And then we have this right here. This is the Target one, and this one is different than the one that I bought online. And also, I just want to show you this. I have this duck thing, and I did take a bath with it, so it floats. So the next thing we got was this right here, and it's his little band-aids, and I thought these were so cute. Like, these would look so good for like a makeup look. And I would say these are like not even band-aids, like they're stickers. Plus these are $20, so I'm gonna be waiting to use these for the concert when I see him in like, oh, it's July 11th, which is actually day after my birthday. Like, I'm so excited. Then we also got these stickers as well, and you only get 4 stickers, so you have to be very picky where you put the stickers. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. The first thing of merch that we got was the CD. This is just your typical normal CD that you can put in your car, or you can just put it on your shelf and look at it. So I can't remember if I got this signed or not, so we're gonna have to open it up and it'll be like a surprise together. Oh my god, he did sign it! Alright. I think it was worth it, maybe. It's nice because they put it in the album, but it can't get damaged. Alright guys, we are opening this up. Let's see, I don't even know what's in here. So we got all of this right here. Okay, this literally already looks so good. This aesthetic, let's go. Then we got this. Oh my god, look, he's literally right there. Oh, the King Kong thing. Oh my god, literally shook. I'm shook. Okay, this is like going up on my wall. It's basically porn. Like, he is literally for all the girls. Wow. Look at him looking so good. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, he's being so bad with the blood. We gotta see what this is. This is the album. Oh my god, it's red, because I don't think I got the red one in the other one. So, okay, I think this was a deal. This was a snag. So, like, this is just so good. Like, it's not even that good, but it's like so good, you know? You know? Guys, look, I'm shook. I'm probably scratching this right now, but I'm shook. Oh my god, wait, hold on. Okay, so it's red because Yungblud's color is red, but it's also red because of Target. Get it? It's also red because of Target collab. Nice, love it. And also, this is what this looks like. This is like just his picture, like that. Okay, so out of 10 stars, right? It's gonna be out of 10 stars. I'm gonna give him 100. That is just the first vinyl. We still have to open up the second vinyl, and the second one, he signed it. All right, so at first glance, it looks pretty similar to the CD. So, okay. Oh, Okay. So we got this picture right here, his little puppy dog face, I guess you would say. It actually folds out like this, so it's like a good poster you can put on your wall. And then we got this right here. This is where the vinyl is in, so we got that. So the vinyl's different, guys. The vinyl's different. We got the clear one, and it's the same as the other one. So we got side A, and then we have side B. I like side B more. Wait a second. There's one more thing in here. This right here, and he actually signed this one too. So I actually have two now. It's the same as the CD cover and everything. So I like how he signs it. It makes it super personal because like nobody does that. So that's nice. It shows that he cares about his fan base. All right guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite Yungblud song is. Mine is probably The Boy in the Black Dress or Cruel Kids. So like this video if you like that song too. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!